when it comes to candle names, I think it's ridiculous. You have, of course, the Joji, you have the Moon Star, Bright Star, Falling Star. I don't even know. Just for giggles, let's look at this. Candlestick pattern simplified. Yeah, right. 81, really? So this is very important to know. Now, this is all the stuff that I'm looking at, and this is what I'm actually teaching you without breaking it down to such specific names and everything. But this is the candle body. This is what I'm looking at. I'm looking to see how many orders, buys and sells, how interested were people in that candle or hour time frame or whatever time frame. So here's, you want to see this to where, and this is what I'm saying when I'm looking at a coin. I say, ooh, look how small these candle bodies are. Look how small. Like, I don't like it. Nobody's interested in this. Nobody's buying this coin. Notice how when I say that, that's because this is what I'm looking at. And hopefully, like, y'all pick up on all that, because one, I give you all the clues. Like, I literally give you all the clues on what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at it, why I like it, and why I don't. So this is the wick, or they call it the shadow. This is the wick, and this is where the price was at, but it got, you know, people started selling. So because they were selling, the body comes down, creating this wick. Now, let's see here. I don't think they're gonna have the names of the patterns. So here, this is, of course, saying that, you know, price was here, and then we had more buyers coming in, and well, it's, oh, they do say this. I don't know, but of course, you know, you have the buyers and then you have the sellers. So depending on, you know, where the wicks are at depends on the sellers. So here, you know, the price did come down here. People were selling off. Then people started buying. So whenever you have this, we do have buying pressure. Whenever you have the wick on top, you have the selling pressure. When you have a really long wick on the top, that does not mean that the next candle is going to come down. That just means on this candle, there was a lot of selling pressure, and it might come down. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course, you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. It's just dumb. Okay, we have a sandwich. We have a bullish kicking pattern. We have a rising 3 method. This one. When I saw this one, abandoned baby, because I was literally trying to learn all this stuff, and I was like, all right, you know, people are talking about the names of the candle. Like, I want to be really smart, or sound really smart, you know, maybe even pretend to be really smart by putting on a fancy costume or a suit. And I saw this one, abandoned baby. Really? Abandoned baby for a candle. I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm not looking at these anymore. That's how dumb they are. On neck, in neck, upside gap, 2 crows, 3 white soldiers, hanging man. So I want to show you something. So let's just say this, whatever name, you know, let's say you studied all the names. Let's just say this name is a bearish name. This name is a bullish name. This name is a bearish name. This name is a bullish name. This name is a bearish name. This name is a bullish name. How does that help you? Well, we had a bearish. We were going to probably get another bearish. But did we? No, we got a bullish. Well, we had a bullish. It might give us another bullish. But did it give you a bearish? You know, and so, and of course, I'm just referring to the candle colors. I'm not referring to the actual candle themselves. Because the candle themselves, they can tell you a story. So what I do is I look at the candle itself. And I see that we have more, and let me change this. We have more buying pressure than selling pressure. Now, all this says is that when the candle opened right here, when the candle opened, when it goes below the opening, then it turns red. If it goes above the opening, when it starts, it goes green. So that's the colors. Now it came all the way down here and then started getting bought up, creating this wick, so the buying pressure. And then the next candle comes and it starts here. And then it goes up and then it came down, but eventually it closed up. So here we have buying pressure as well. So this is telling me that the price might potentially go up. We might find support here and it might go up. I don't know if it will or not, because there have been plenty of times where we have buying pressure and the price comes down. So I'm not saying that it might go up because I see this, no. So what I do that's different from everybody else is I tell you what I would have done here, not because of what I see. And that's what the other mentors will do. Now we have selling pressure. It's kind of equal. You know, the body is smaller than this one, so we're kind of losing interest. Then this one is about the same as this one, kind of undecisive, you know, buying pressure versus selling pressure. Then this one we have more interest, more body in this. We have more selling pressure. So now this is telling me that the price, if I was just kind of looking at this, now this is telling me that the price did this, came this way, doing this, and now possibly gonna do this. How many times have you seen people draw, oh, a shoulder, a head, a shoulder? That's what they're looking at. That's what they're seeing right here. Possible start of, nobody knows. Then it found support right here, right at our support, the resistance level. Found support and now it came up. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at all these candles. I'm looking at the wicks. I'm looking at all that fun stuff. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.